Hello hackers, welcome to episode 4 on the Linux Essentials for Hackers. Today we're going to learn the essential Linux command every hacker must know. So the first command we'll be covering in this course is the ping command. Now, the ping command, what is the ping command? Basically, in a network, we have something called network packets. So indirectly, whenever you interact with a device, you are sending and receiving packets from that device and from your computer to that device. Now, if you are connected on a network and you want to know if your network you are connected, the device is working or not, or if the network connection has been successful, you use the ping command. Then you input the IP address of the device. So for instance, to check if we are actually connected to the internet, we'll ping Google's DNS server. So when you ping and you get replies, that means you are having a correct connection. Now, the next command we are going to learn is the Netstat command. Now, the Netstat is used to check your network status. Basically, you can check open and close ports, services that are running on these ports. So, the basic command for checking this is netstat-no. So when you click like this, you're going to see all the services that are running on your machine and which ports they are using to run on the machine and what type of services. Yes, TCP stream or UDP. So this is basically what the netstat command is used for. Now we are going to also learn another command called curl. Now curl is basically like a browser in the terminal, right? It basically feels like a browser in the terminal. So for instance, when you want to check if a website is online or not, or if you want to get the HTML of a website or to load a website using curl, you will simply just say curl, then say https, that's the link to the website. Then we can say katu.edu.gh. Now when we click enter on this, it's going to load this website right here. You can see that it's loading the web page for us in our terminal, the code for that web page. So this is basically using penetration testing or web app penetration testing. So when I do curl that tag I, then I input the URL. This time I'm going to get the headers of that URL. So you can see I've gotten the user agent and the link and some other basic information of the website. This is used in web app penetration testing. So another command that we can learn is the wget command. The wget command is used to download things online. So you're actually going to get something from the internet. You're going to download something from the internet. So we can download this link right here, this HTTPS. So we can download the web page to that link. So when I click enter on this, you can see that it's going to try and download the web page. So it has downloaded index.html. And when I type ls, I can find that index.html is right in my computer. So these are one of the nice commands that we have. Now, for instance, this index.html, let's say we want to check if a specific file is inside the index.html, if a specific text. For instance, we want to check if we will have something like JS, a .js extension inside this file. We will do cat index.html. Now when we do cat, we are literally just reading the contents of index.html. But if you want to like sieve it out to check if a file is inside or a certain keyword, you use the pipe, then you grep, then you put the parameter, then you put in JS. Now it's going to, anywhere that has JS inside it, it's going to display that line of code. And you can see we have links to some stuff, and this can be used in penetration testing because you now know what type of links. You can even look for links that are in the website, for instance .com, and you can see we have so these are the basic Linux command every hacker should know. Thank you for watching this video. The next video, please like, share and subscribe.